Hi everyone, my name is Aayushi Kandoi and I built NOVA, Network Operations Virtual Assistant, a multi-agent AI system that automates fault investigation for network operations center engineers. The idea is simple. You give it a ticket number and it handles the entire investigation pipeline from fetching the ticket to tracing the network topology to diagnosing the root cause and hands back a structured summary ready for action. Let's get into it. Imagine you are a network engineer on call. A fault alert comes in, something in the network is down, customers are affected, and the clock is already ticking. To figure out what's wrong, you have to manually jump across multiple systems, pull up the network inventory to trace the full path of affected connection, cross check a change management system to see if any schedule maintenance could explain it. If nothing explains, dig into the architecture guide to diagnose the root cause and find the right fix. And depending on the fault, there may be even more steps. Every one of these steps is manual. Every one costs times. And all of it is happening while a timer is running. These engineers have strict SLA windows, some as tight as 4 hours before a breach triggers real financial penalties for the company. The painful irony is that the most experienced people, the one who knows the network best, spend most of that time just gathering data, not solving the problem. This isn't a niche telecom problem. This is what happens in any complex operation environment where multiple systems hold the truth and this human have to manually connect the dots under time pressure. That's the problem this system solves. The primary audience is NOC engineers, the Network Operations Center engineer, especially at telecom operators running a multi-tier network topology like the DSLAM to data center architecture modeled here. Within that group, there are two profiles this helps most. One are the junior engineers who do not yet have the domain knowledge to reliably trace upstream correlations. This system guides them through the exact pipeline a senior engineer would follow. And experienced engineers who do have the knowledge but are spending it on gathering data instead of decision making, this system eliminates that overhead. Secondary audience are network operation managers who benefit from reduced MTTR, the mean time to resolve the issue, and fewer SLA breaches across the team. And any telecom operator running a network inventory management system. What did we build? The solution is a multi-agent system built on LandGraph with a fast API backend and a reactive white front end. The pipeline has 4 stages. First, the network agent orchestrator fetches the ticket details. Second, the correlation agent retrieves the full end-to-end network topology path for the affected node using the inventory tool and then checks every node in that path against the planned changes databases. Here, the key decision point is a planned change is found on any node in the path. The system immediately flags it as the root cause, generates a structured summary, and stops. The RCA agent never runs, but if no planned change is found, the ticket escalates to the RCA agent, which uses RAG over the network guide to identify technical fault and produce step-by-step resolution instructions. The orchestrator then synthesizes everything into a single structured output: summary, root cause, evidence, impacted path, the resolution steps, and how much SLA status is left. Let me walk you through the system live. This is how the app looks like, and what you can do is just type your ticket number. For example, here, one of the ticket, and it will fetch in the background. So you can see the system working through the pipeline, It is fetching the ticket. The correlation agent retrieves the topology path, checks every node, and then the RCA will be generated. And the NOC engineers can also give the feedback on the generated summary. They can also tell if it is correct, incorrect, or can add even a comment on it. That's a feedback that we can collect to improve the system. And also you have a follow-up chat interface to ask any follow-up query on the above thing. So for this one, the ticket is run, and then we got a summary where we got what is the issue, a summary of the ticket, the root cause, why does it say it is the root cause, the impacted path in the network, the step-by-step resolution steps, and the SLA time left for this ticket to be resolved. In the end, you can also ask it a follow-up question. For example, what is the affected node? And then it should quickly do, the correlation agent quickly found the affected node in the Let me quickly walk you through how the system is wired together. At the top, you have a simple React front end, 3 surfaces: submit a ticket, give feedback on the output, and ask follow-up questions via chat. Each maps to its own endpoint on a fast API backend. The backend is where the intelligence lives. A land graph supervisor graph orchestrates the full pipeline, fetching the ticket, running the correlation check across the network path, making the decision to whether to either stop at a change related summary or escalate to the RCA agent, and finally synthesizes everything into a structured output. The RAG component sits inside the RCA agent. It embeds the query, retrieves the most relevant chunks from the network guide stored in Qdrint Cloud, applies Courier re-ranking to improve precision, and passes the result to the LLM with a strict context only prompt, so the model can only answer from the actual documentation. The data layer is currently static, a Python-based dictionary that faithfully replicates the schemas of real telecom operator systems. They are designed as drop-in replacements. Swapping any of them for a live API call requires changing exactly one function, nothing else. All LLM calls go through GPT 4.0 mini model, best for cost to performance ratio for the structured reasoning this pipeline needs. So, what did we do actually achieve here? Before the system, investigating a fault meant an engineering manually jumping across multiple systems, spending most of their time gathering data rather than solving the problem, with the clock running the whole time. Now, a ticket number is all it takes. The full investigation runs in seconds, and the engineer gets a structured summary with root cause, evidence, resolution steps, and SLA status ready to act on. That shift from hours of manual work to seconds of automated investigation is the real outcome here. Thank you for listening to me. The GitHub repo is linked in the description. Thanks for watching.